Hey guys, in this video I will show you best IQ option script special for you. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you not join my telegram channel, please join my telegram channel for next video and next script. Okay, and if you not join best binary option broker, link in my description box, simply click and sign up, start forex and binary trading. Okay, so let's start trading with the script and indicator. Okay, and as you can see, here is a script signal by when put, and you can trade on down. Okay, when script signal by call, and you can trade on higher option. Okay, let's see. Okay, first of all I analyze the market, then here is I have placed uptrade because here is a strong support level here. Okay, let's see the result. Okay,